Okay, this is chocolate box, bitter, milky and bitter chocolate. Okay, let's start. Foil is a little bit stubborn, but the effect is gorgeous, so just be patient and do it. It can be on and on, no problem. Even better, you will get good structure. So if you are interested in such things, I have some more videos in this subject. I prepared eyeglass case. I prepared bag, clutch. It was a recycling thing. I make around it. It's like collage actually. Just complete the pieces. This is the process of covering first. It will get dry overnight. It's dry, so we are gonna decorate it. Aluminium foil gives a nice structure, nice base, nice effect. I'm thinking to buy a nice camera for my birthday. It's in January. January the 8th is my birthday. I'm thinking to buy camera for my YouTube videos. I didn't decide the brand yet, but I have some candidates. Yes, this is the effect. It looks better, yeah? We are back with the right box. We will continue to decorate. I painted everywhere, so I didn't show you because I didn't want to take your time. It's a simple painting, black. But we are gonna make stencils, of course. Okay. Metallic colors remain on stencils so easily, so it is better to clean immediately. If you don't have time, just prepare some warm water with detergent in it, of course, and leave it. Okay, let's see what we have. This is good. It's sponge, easy to use, it's handy. Only corners and sides I'm gonna paint because I'm gonna put something in the middle. You will see. Coffee break. I will go and have my coffee. When I come back, we will decorate. It will be a very nice box. So it's ready for decoration. We will try to make it nicer but not heavy. Okay, let's do. I have some clay objects again. I prepared myself with molds. So we need, of course, some bronze. Some bronze and gold. It should be matching. What is it? Yeah. Some gold, some bronze. Our concept is this color. So too many colors. One more. Here. The middle. I left some part unpainted black intentionally. I wanted this effect. I wanted this side patterned, this side plain. I wanted something different. I didn't want to make the same. Nice. Yellow, but this part is patterned, this part is plain. I'm thinking to put some note cubes here. So you can get, as you know, we are preparing a stationery box to put on top of our coffee table or study room or study table. It will be a very functional box, from chocolate box to everything box. So you can take your notes. Good, huh? Did you like it? Leave your comments under video, please, so I can understand if you really like or not. I have this one. When I bought my brushes, watercolor brushes, they came with this paper. It was a holder, brush holder. I didn't throw. I said, okay, maybe I may need something like this somewhere in some project or something. When I decided to prepare this one, I remembered this paper, this holder. So, can you guess what I am gonna do with this one? Can you guess? See? I have something for inside this one, so I'm gonna stick it here, maybe here, yeah, not here. So you can put your papers, bills, or I don't know, whatever you want. It has zip, this one. This is from my old organizer. Pen. Your pens here. So you can put 4 pencil, pen, ballpoint, see, from brush holder to pencil holder. How is it? Nice. See? Let's organize here as well. Some important papers, for example, here. Something like this. This is my electricity bill, by the way. This is very important. Okay, bill. Your notebook, maybe, on top of this. So it's going to be a little bit hidden. Nice. Maybe you may need something. You may need to put something precious. Good. This one. What else we can do? Okay. Hope you like it, my friends. If you like, please click. And if you really like, you can subscribe to my channel. So I will be really very happy. And we can stay connected. Okay, thanks for sharing this enjoyable time with me. Okay, take care of yourself and stay colorful. Bye-bye.